to build a real steamboat. This is what it will look like. You will need an aluminium tube, an empty milk carton, and a candle. Okay, fill the aluminium tube with salt. Now comes the hard part. Bend the tube around a stick 3 times. It takes real strength. The salt prevents the tube from breaking. If it goes well, you get this spiral form. The tube, without the salt, goes into half the milk carton. Put the candle under the spiral and the steamboat is ready. Fill the spiral with water and light the candle. Yes, it's working! It jerks when it moves. That's why it's called a pop-pop boat. Water sits in the spiral. The heat of the candle creates water vapor like a steam engine. The pressure starts to increase. The water vapor is pushed out of the back of the boat with force. It causes the boat to shoot forward. Pop, 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 pop. What's that I hear? More pop-pop sounds? Has Rodrigo built a new boat? No, it's popcorn. That's tasty. And interestingly, popcorn works in the same way as a pop-pop boat. There's a little water in the corn. If it is heated up, the water evaporates and causes a build-up of pressure in the current. As a result, it explodes and you get popcorn. Cool, right? Pop